Hi, this is Richard from Sleep Haven, just giving you a quick spot and stain removal tip. Currently in a property in Dodford, and we're in a bedroom here, and we're just looking at doing a bit of spot and stain removal for a customer. Currently in the bedroom, and we've got some blue dots that are across the carpet. And if Dan just zooms in here, you just have a look here. There's little blue dots, and they're right through the carpet. If you just come out a bit now, please, Dan. And if Dan just goes back a little bit, and we'll just zoom in, and there's another one here. Now, what I pointed out to Dan is that these are pretty all the way through the carpet in the bedroom. So, and they're quite well spaced out, but at regular intervals. So my thought process is that it's probably something on somebody's shoe, bottom of the shoe, and they've walked it in through the bedroom. So basically, with this, it looks like like an ink stain or maybe a bit of makeup or something like that. So what we're going to do, we're just going to use a bit of some of this spotter, and I'll just put a little bit on top of the stain there, and get a piece of kitchen towel, and all I'm going to do is blot, yeah, and start to work on that stain. So just a bit of that solution there, and if you can see, and Dan might be, if he closes up, you can see here on the towel here where the ink or the makeup or the substance has started to wick up into the kitchen towel. So I've just removed that now initially, taken that off the surface, and then once I've done that, I've lifted it up, and then I'm going to flash it through using our spotter here. Here you can see one that I did earlier. The stain has gone, but this dark mark here is where I've just flashed it through with water. So I've done the blotting, then flashed it through, and then once that's dried out, that'll be nice and dry and settled out. So it's a quick carpet cleaning, spot and stain removal tip for you on a Friday. So hope you all have a good weekend, and I'm looking forward to seeing my boy this weekend and letting off some fireworks. Anyway, take care. If you need us, give us a call on 01327 342 594. Many thanks.